Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use split screen using Samsung S22 or S23 or maybe S10 or whatever. The Samsung Galaxy series might have all these options. So here what we're gonna do to start the split view on your screen, you need at least to open one app at least. So let's say I can open my YouTube, and then what I'm gonna do is it's open now, so I'm gonna click on this burger, three lanes, and then I'm gonna click like this. I just click and hold, and then it opens all the apps open for me because I already opened Facebook and YouTube, for example. And here between the pages you're gonna see three dots and this bar lane, and then if you click there you can move it like this. This option makes you able to make one bigger and one smaller, one app smaller on the screen and the other one is bigger. As you gonna see here, I made a Facebook app bigger, and then you can make it bigger as much as you want, and the other one is gonna be smaller. And if you click there, let's make it like this, and then if you click there, it's gonna show you like this. If you click on the two arrows, one going up and one going down, it's gonna just switch. It's gonna switch the apps from the bottom to the top, so as you see. And then let's click here, this little star here. What's gonna happen is it's asking you if you want to add this pair, this app pair, to the screen, to your home screen. If you click there, it's gonna be there. As you see here on my home screen, there is a pair of apps which has Facebook and YouTube. So whenever, if you are, for example, let's say you're using both apps a lot of times, so you're just gonna do this function so you can save time, and then it's already there on your home screen, and then you just click there and it's gonna take you to the, it's gonna show you this pair of apps. And then you can work on whatever you want on your apps like this. Scroll down, and then you can do whatever you want to do, like and comment, whatever you want to do. The same thing here for YouTube. You just gonna click there, whatever you want, manage videos, whatever you want to do. So it's all yours. It's good. So you can upload videos, you can do whatever you want to do. So this is how is it. Thank you guys. I hope you like the video and share it with others.